One thing I didn't tell you is Zach blew up his car.
True story.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
We're getting some bagels. Then we're going to Orlando.
Hey, hey.
To pick up car parts and do truck stuff. That sounds so fucking weird saying we're doing truck stuff.
I know, diesel truck stuff.
I feel like Street Beat 717. Next you're going to have a McLaren. Watch.
I mean, I'm not going to. I mean, I'm down. I'm probably not going to have one, but I'm down to have one.
We're going to, what is this place called?
Bagels and Beyond, baby.
Bagels and Beyond. They have the best bagels ever, and I mean ever. So if you're in Spring Hill or Brooksville, check this place out. Look at these bagels, my guys. Show me bagels, Zach.
Oh, look at this goodness.
Look at this. Oh,
that's
so
just a basic one.
that's a basic. This guy's got an Asiago one. Look at this. Oh, so delicious. Where are we headed first today?
We're gonna go grab the exhaust off of the 18, which is on the way to Tyler's shop for the AC and brakes. Then we're gonna rent a truck across the street at Enterprise. I'm gonna go pick up my tuner and herpes if we can.
Hell yeah.
We getting that good stuff. Number one. You want me to grab what?
Straight up, there you go.
Where am I going? Oh, the 18 has quads from the factory?
Yeah, that's why I wanted.
Around the tip. Hey, you're not gonna hurt the tank, right?
418. This looks really rusty. Are they using different material now?
Sitting down just like all our exhausts.
But ours don't look like this even while it's sitting in the rain for months.
Okay,
Our jet plane is taking off.
the exhaust is loaded. Now to stop number 2. Let's see.
We use East Colonial Drive, right?
Thought I told you. Yeah, this was west. The other one was east.
Look at these two. Oh. Global Motorsports Group. Carbon fiber rear spoiler. Jaguar XK. Porsche GT3. Y'all, look at this, dude. This is it is, dude, it's tracked.
And manual.
Sim Simma. Oh, I took the keys to my bima.
And
These I like the most. Even though they're still front engined.
This is the only Ferrari project.
What about the Berlinetta?
This is the actual Berlin.
Yeah, but the TDF.
They get way too much money for them. If money wasn't an option yet. But the 812 Superfast that just came out?
Right.
Get it with PDF.
Custom Jeep. Yeah, but it's the older version.
2016.
Yeah.
That's not bad though.
No.
Remember how we were talking about the other day? Like, these things cost like
The new ones.
doesn't work.
Yeah. I bet you that's a lot more. Dude. Well,
That's the same. Looks like money. Pretty awesome.
and there's a Ferrari back there. Some donks. Whole shop. And this is something, this probably ended up just being an old warehouse.
Yeah.
They bought it out.
He said you punk bitch. He said you punk
He
bitch.
said you can't sling that like you playing. He said you can't sling it like you
Oh,
playing.
Look at that too.
I love it.
What? Oh.
You got the 6.2?
It's a 5, I don't like the audio on the 6.
The audio? I haven't noticed an issue with the audio, but the 4K is nice, but it eats up so much more.
Zach! One more. How do you like it?
Sounds like it did before to me.
That's what I'm saying.
But hey,
But hey.
that's good considering there's a muffler on it now.
Yeah. Well, now that the muffler did a whole lot. I like, this is the guard green, right?
Dark green, yeah.
That does look good.
I got it.
See, these are the hood vents that I want for the GT.
Yeah, because I don't like them.
Those are the V-Lux, right?
I guess, I don't know, they're his.
Yeah, see, I want to have them blacked out, and then I want to cut this all out.
So the 240, the higher the frame rate, the slower?
No, the higher the frame rate, the slower you can make something.
Oh, I see, so I can edit it down and
Right.
show. Okay.
Like
So
if
we
you had a rental Chevy Silverado or Silverado, the truck's done. So I'm gonna grab my backpack. And let's see. Josh left the keys in here, which is not good. Anything in here? No. Anything in there? No. Grabbing Josh's sandwich and drink. Move all that. Oops. Gotta move all of that over. doesn't sound good. Okay. Zach! Okay. So we have Josh's food, my sweater, and backpack. Ooh. So so that thing has a coyote in it?
Yeah. Oh. Look, it even has performance pack wheels.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking. I thought it sounded weird when it pulled up. Brembos too? That's awesome. Oh, I guess they're redoing the exhaust on it. Yeah, couldn't warn me. So we're bringing the rental truck back, which is behind us. And we're back in the truck with new brakes, new oil.
New exhaust.
New exhaust.
Finished.
And we're gonna head back home to Spring Hill.
We're making a little stop by the way.
We are? Where?
Let's find out.
I have no idea where we're stopping, but we're about to find out. Oh fuck! Shit! Shit! Huh? It's what?
She's auto.
Oh. We were gonna look at this, but Z-Star wants a manual, even a coupe, but he was willing to compromise for a sedan if it is the right manual, but it's auto, so he's like, not worth it. And that trailer isn't worth $3,500 either. Nope. Nope. Did you?
What do you say?
Engines.
Felt like the like that.
Yeah. We are back home. One thing I didn't tell you is Zach blew up his car.
True story.
So what we're doing now is we're doing a pressure test. For him, we think it's not a rot through the block. There was no oil on it, just a bunch of coolant. So we hope it's just a blown head gasket. He got a kit from AutoZone. He rented it for $180, and you can see here even, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but all of the coolant is on this side. There's a coolant on the dipstick, and there's no coolant on the dipstick, so that screams head gasket. Or giant hole on the side of the block. Huh? If a coolant passage popped, I'm not going to re-redo this. Okay, so we got the pressurizing test. Okay, we put some fluid in, and we started to pressurize the system, and it started to leak. And look at this coolant hose, guys. This thing blew wide the fuck open.
Like, wide the fuck?
Which, yeah, like, it tore. Which, now I have a second question. Why would it tear? Because I found a weak point, right? Which means the coolant system was pressurized past the 21 pounds. Well, no, it wasn't, because this would have blown.
Right, it would have came out the back.
So do you think...
It just failed.
I wonder if it's the hot air being released from the blow-off valve.
If it made it so hot that all the pressure...
Well, just over time, because this makes perfect sense.
It right there.
Yeah.
Interesting. I have one. The good news.
Yeah, well...
You want to know the even better news?
We just put water in it.
There's no coolant
I was
in
going to
there.
say, so it's going to be water that comes out.
So here, like,
You guys can see.
I mean, it is ripped.
Yeah.
Well, we'll pull this.
Found the weakest link.
is that really...
It's just corrosion from...
Dude, that is gnarly.
Yeah, baby. She gave up the ghost. Well, good news is,
We got a spare.
we're going to put this back on and...
Yeah. Well, you gotta get oil now.
She definitely wants some more, I think. She'll be a little happier. Can I just start it even though I lost all the coolant, or just should I prime it a couple times?
No, it doesn't.
Doesn't really matter.
The coolant's gonna cycle itself the moment.
Thermostat,
Right.
Zenit.
Do it.
Second.
Stop being a pussy. If it's broke, it's broke.
Watch your gauges.
Is the hose?
Big time. Yeah, right here. Be careful, it's too hot. That wasn't leaking before, was it?
Get back. He's gonna send it.
We always do around here.
Send it.
One way to find out. Hashtag. I mean, if it's broke, it's gonna break anyway.
Right.
The sketchy part is, I don't know if that's...
I mean, it hit 24 pounds. I didn't realize
Is it
that.
good?
I didn't go full throttle, obviously.
Nothing that's alarming to me
Okay.
currently. That's subject to change.
Well, Zach's mom and dad, nothing's wrong with the car. We don't know what you're talking about. Right?
I tried to break it.
Do you have performance pack brakes on your car? Oh yeah, so same thing.
This is gonna be harder than.
No, close it like this. Yeah. There you go. Well, crisis avoided. What do the people need to do to keep Ella alive? They need to subscribe, like, and leave a comment.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Because then you'll get more videos of me racing people and, you know, sending it. I mean, it's pretty fun for me, so it'll probably be fun for you guys. But you read the back of the car, still learning. Still learning.
Still a noob, ladies and gentlemen, still a noob. See you next time.
Replicate the way it was built on the factory side. So the first thing you're going to do, actually when you get it, you're going to have this retaining clip will be on here. You need